Thank you very much. I'd like to first thank a few words there for people that don't know me. This might take a little while. I've got a very close connection with ALS. 21 years ago, I was diagnosed with a rare form of ALS, similar to the famous philosopher Stephen Hawkins. Fortunately for me, my symptoms are very slow to progress. At that time, my sister-in-law, Marilyn, her father, John McGowan, was dying of ALS. I noticed John's daughter, Bev, in the background. And thank you very much for coming there, Dad. It really worried me that I might have ALS. I didn't really know how long I would live. That really bothered me. But there's a person that I invited here today that's with us today. My good friend and neurologist at the time, Dr. Charles Simpson. Thank you for coming through, Charlie. And Charlie gave me some incredible advice. He told me, Dave, it's only a name, and the best way to predict the future is to analyze the past. There's nothing in the past that indicates it's going to go any faster than what it was already doing. I've been through a lot in life. I've been very successful in life, and I feel I've lived a very fulfilling life. My current challenges are my arms are giving it up. This is the most I can. I can't lift my arm. I'm losing the function of my fingers. Or this is the most I can open up my fingers. I don't want you to feel sad there for me. Spirit is an incredible thing. If I can give you any advice, life is not a right, but it is a privilege. You need to make the most of what you've been blessed with. Don't underestimate the power of a positive. Goals are great. That without goals in life, I would have accomplished a tenth of what I've accomplished. And the most important thing, go and make the most of your life. Make the most of today. And thank you very much.